In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code Docker build error. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to diagnose and resolve common issues that may arise during your Docker build process. To begin, confirm the exact Docker build error by running the command docker build -no cache progress =plain-t Claude test in your terminal. This command will provide you with full logs and ensure that no cached layers are used during the debugging process. It is important to see the complete output to identify the specific error you are encountering. Next, ensure you are using the correct base image. Claude Code 2026 requires a modern version of Node, specifically version 20 or higher. Your Dockerfile should start with the line from Node 20 Alpine. If you happen to be using Node 16, Node 18, or Node Slim without the necessary build tools, this could be the source of your problem. If your logs indicate that certain build tools are missing, such as NoJip, Python missing, make not found, or G++ not found, you need to install these dependencies. For Alpine-based images, add the line ru apk add -no cache Python 3 make G++ before your npm install command. If you're using a Debian-based image, the command would be ru and apt-get update and apt-get install -y Python 3 make G++. To address issues related to npm install layers, it is crucial to follow the correct pattern for your Dockerfile. Set your working directory /app using workdir/app. Next, copy your package files with cecopy package JSON and run npm chi after this. You can copy the rest of your project files using cepip. Avoid copying the entire project before running the npm install command, as this can disrupt the cache logic. If you're installing Claude globally inside your Docker container, use the command run npm install -g at Anthropic I/Claude Code at latest. To verify that the installation is successful during the build process, include the line run Claude -v. If this line fails, it indicates an installation problem rather than an issue with Docker itself. Sometimes network or registry errors can occur, which may manifest as econ-triet, network, timeout, or registry unreachable messages. To resolve this, you can set the npm registry to the official source by adding the line run npm config set registry https://registry.npmjs.org/. Alternatively, you can force IPv4 inside Docker by using the command docker build network =host-t Claude test. If you continue to experience issues, it may be necessary to clear a broken Docker state. Use the commands docker system prune -f and docker builder prune -f to remove any corrupted layers. After performing these commands, rebuild your Docker image with docker build -no cache -t Claude test. Finally, here is a minimal working Dockerfile template that is safe for Claude Code 2026. Start with from Node 20 Alpine, set your working directory with workdir/app, and install the required build tools using rom apx add no cache Python 3 make say. Then copy your package files and run npm before copying the rest of your project files. Include the command to install Claude globally and verify its version, followed by the command to run your application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.